Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to guide you how you can easily add and create a project in Honeybook. But right before we start, you will have a link down below in the description. Thanks to that, you can easily get a 20% off for 1 year if you're going to use the link, and you can save money. So definitely click on the link, completely up to you. You can save a good amount of money. 20% is a good price to go down with. Now click on projects when you're going to be in Honeybook, and when you're going to be here, you want to click create your new project. You're going to add a project name. So let's say this is going to be a YouTube channel, and what kind of project type it is. So let's say this is a strategy project type. You're going to choose your own, or you can even create your own new project type. So it can be like, I don't know, gardening, for example. Lead source, if it's a personal website, Instagram, Facebook, Google, Clubhouse, LinkedIn. So let's say I'm going with Google. And then you're going to choose a date for the project. So let's say 8 to, and end date is going to be 1st and time. So you can add a start date and end date for your project, and you can also change the time zone here. Now I'm going to click create project, and voila, here you are. So you can also add a participant, and that you can like help and collaborate, and you can do that here. I'm not going to add any participants, but you can do it if you want to. And in the moment when you're going to be in projects, what we can find here. So you can on the right side change the picture. I'm not going to change it, but here you can change the picture. Then you're going to have activities on the left side, in which you would find what will happen. You will find it right here. Then you're going to have files. If you used any files, it will be also here. Payments, where you can simply create an invoice. And then you get also details here about the project. And add notes here, like your private notes. So this is just like the introduction to the project. And on the right side, you can always change the stage. Like I'm going to move my camera now. If it's going to be inquiry, follow-up, consult, proposal sent, contract signed, retainer paid, in progress, design, planning. So you can simply choose it here. Then you can add a note, not visible to clients, about it. Like, okay, this client is damn amazing. Okay. And then you can add a time tracker here. So you can log new time tracking. So let's say this is going to be the brainstorming. I'm going to move my camera again. And number of hours, let's say 5, and 50 hourly rate. And I will like save entry here. Then I can add a tasks. Like let's say this is going to be a call a client, and I can add a task, right? And I'm going to like due date until tomorrow. And then what I'm going to have is also automations here. You need to have participants use automation. So I'm going to create a complete new tutorial for automation, guys, on how we can use it. But this is how you can work with strategy. And then you have option to also add a payment, and you would create an invoice here. You can use the standard invoice, all-in-one booking flow, basic contract invoice, basic invoice. So I'm going to click like standard invoice here, and I can simply add here everything. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So you can add an invoice type add a service here. And you can simply change the payment schedule. And I'm going to create like complete tutorial, guys, on invoice. I want to show you also one thing in Honeybook projects. So if you want to also learn how you can do the invoicing, just write to YouTube how to create invoice, and I'm going to everything show you there. I want to also show you one simple thing is when you're going to click on the top right here, create new, you can always create a new contract, invoice, proposal, questionnaire, services, custom smart files. So to actually add your invoice, we need to create services, right? And you can add a service which is going to be called, I don't know, YouTube video. And then voila, here you got it. So this is just the idea what you can do here, and you can do all of these things. And I'm going to create like new tutorial on every one of these things. So you can find them on YouTube too. And that's pretty much it. And this is how you can, this is just the introduction, how you can create a project. And now in the next tutorials, I'm going deeper into those contract, invoice, proposal, questionnaire, services, and everything, and also automation. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.